Hey kids, how are you? I am very excited for a new lesson. Are you excited? Great. So today we are going to learn about pronoun his. So his is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of third person singular male. Possessive pronoun? What is it? It's very simple. A possessive pronoun tells us that who has the ownership of anything. For example, the car is his. So in this sentence, pronoun his tells us that the car belongs to third person singular male. Pronoun his usually comes at the end of the sentence. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun his clear. Rudy, read the first example.
The pillow is his.
Right. So, in this sentence, pronoun his tells us that the pillow belongs to third person singular male. And tell me, is it followed by a noun or not?
It is not followed by a noun.
Correct. Therefore, it is a possessive pronoun. So, Rudy, our second example is this cat is his. So, again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun his because it denotes that the cat belongs to the third person singular
masculine.
That's right. So, Rudy, our last example is the yellow shirt is his. So, can you identify the possessive pronoun in this sentence?
His.
Why?
Because it shows that the shirt belongs to the third person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Now you got the concept. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun his. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.